Today was an outreach event for FeminSTEM, which is our all-females in engineering club, where we reached out to some of the local schools and Girl Scout troops, and we brought them to Carmel to do just various STEM tasks. We made pasta towers, lava lamps, fling machines like a slingshot, and it's just to help girls make new friends and have fun learning and using the skills that they have that they will use for the rest of their lives, and opening them up to seeing how you can use those skills to do fun things, such as building or designing something new. Well, right now there's a lot of underrepresentation of females in STEM. There's a lot of underrepresentation in engineers and scientists, and I love engineering. I'm the only sophomore girl in my engineering class. There's 2 freshman girls, but in a class of 27, there's only 3 of us. I think that seeing that other girls enjoyed STEM as well really encouraged me to be part of this club, and I really want to maybe spread it to other schools and help them figure out that females in STEM are incredible thinkers.
So we just had the girls make lava lamps. We had them put in colored food dye with water and oil, and we put in Alka-Seltzer. They shook it up and it made this lava lamp reaction where you had bubbles that came from the Alka-Seltzer go up through the mixture. And it's a really cool experiment because it shows girls, how to, do like a DIY creation at home that they would find enjoyable, and it's really pretty, and I think it explains science to them as well from younger age and up.
So I love hanging out with kids, and so they're just so funny too, and they can think of different things that I never would think of. And I remember how I used to hate STEM, and I want to show them that it can be fun. And I am still a Girl Scout, and we work with younger Girl Scout troops, so my first idea was, how can I give back to the Girl Scout community by bringing them in and helping them learn?
I think that it's just, the world is everyone's oyster, and I feel that all these girls, here today, they're all showing that they love what they're doing, and it's important to foster such a love for a passion that you have at a young age. I've loved science since I was about 2nd, 3rd grade, and that hasn't changed since. I'm hoping to major in biology, so I think that that's good for them as well, that they find something that they love.